Alright, this is Woodlake Run. I'm in front of unit 103. Going through a clean out. We're going to run it back under the building and see what we see. A little bit of debris in the line.
Grease right there.
Yep. Just pushing grease along the side of the pipe. Yeah, you see all the chunks in there?
Yep.
So we're probably going to get a better, I'll get you a much better video after I clean it. That's going to be the end of it right there. So we'll get it cleaned and then I'll make another video after it's clean. Yeah, I'll take care of that. Alright, I'm going to conclude this video. I'll make another one when we get her done.